Welcome back, Fearless Foodies, and today it's all about spinach.
Ever wonder what to do with all that extra fresh spinach? Well, today we're going to shake it, bake it, fold it, toss it, and show you more fast and easy ways to go Popeye without the can. Hey foodies, never fear a darker banana. The darker they are, the sweeter they are, and the higher the content of potassium. Can you even believe that there's spinach in this smoothie, Amy?
That is amazing.
This standout Sammy could be eaten for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You don't have to use GF bread, but do toast it crispy and pile it up with lettuce, tomato, avocado, some cheese. This is lactose-free Gouda cheese. Our featured spinach, sprouts if they're available, drizzle with a little bit of pure olive oil, sprinkle with a little salt if able, or your favorite seasonings. And there you have it, unless you would prefer to include your favorite sandwich meats. Now we're taking an easy spin on spiral pasta. This is actually fusilli, originating from southern Italy. Ours is made from only one ingredient, brown rice.
Yeah, you can freeze cheese in a block, use it as soon as you take it out. Leave it in the fridge for a couple days, that's fine. As soon as you take it out of your packaging, we're going to shred that up and add it to our pasta. Another way to add a little bit of protein, pumpkin seeds.
Be generous daily with the pure olive oil, and don't let anyone online convince you that pure olive oil or pure coconut oil are anything except highly recommended. And all the cardiologists who practice, it lowers the risk of heart disease. It's got tremendous full body benefits and should be eaten daily with joy. We're still rocking the same package of spinach, and this time we're going to do a spin on spinach and artichoke dip. We're doing it a different way today, folks. Another way we're flipping this around by adding our cup of fresh baby spinach, maybe a little more than a cup. Doing this on stovetop instead of a blender. We're just softening this up with about a teaspoon or less of onion powder, as much more than a cup, but less than 2 cups of freshly shredded cheese. The best cream of celery soup I could find. And it is mainly celery and water. It does have some few extra ingredients, but it's going to velvetize our dish, hold it all together, save us some money, time, and calories. A pinch is technically 1/18 of a teaspoon. Most people don't really know the difference between a pinch or a dash. Let's just say less than a pinch, less than a dash of nutmeg is all you need. Just a little milk from a can, a couple of drops, or if you want to use your milk substitute. I'm always adding some ideas for meat lovers to turn a vegetarian or vegan meal into something with meat or fish. And I would add some delicious crab meat to this, whatever you can afford, whether it's from the can. It's very expensive to buy crab meat these days. So I'm just going to use a small amount on top of the pats of butter, which is going to be amazing. Mm. Mm. Just put this on some crispy bread, or you can dip it with some veggie sticks. Mm.
Hey, Fearless Foodies, thanks for watching, where you have fun learning to save money, time, and calories. So, if you learned a little something new, will you do me a little favor? Tap subscribe, share it with your friends, and have a great day.